Hare Krishna. I welcome all of you. So today I'll be speaking on the power of mantra meditation. We'll see how mantra meditation elevates our consciousness. The power of sound. A high-pitched frequency can shatter an ordinary drinking glass. Such a demonstration shows that loud sounds can produce substantial reactions. Sonic weaponry. Sonic and ultrasonic weapons are weapons of various types that use sound to injure, incapacitate, or kill an opponent. Some sonic weapons are currently in limited use or in research and development by military and police forces. Music therapy interventions are designed to promote wellness, to manage stress, to alleviate pain, to express feelings, to enhance memory, to improve communication, and to promote physical rehabilitation. Everyone can respond to music, no matter how ill or disabled. The unique qualities of music as therapy can enhance communication, support change, and enable people to live more resourcefully and creatively. This involves use of music to address physical, emotional, sensory motor, cognitive, and social needs of individuals. Music therapy provides a unique variety of music experiences in an intentional and developmentally appropriate manner to effect changes in behavior and facilitate development of skills. This is a picture from Fujiwara Dam in Japan before prayers were offered. And see this. It's a picture after the Reverend Kato conducted a 1 hour prayer in front of the dam. This is the water crystal when abuses were chanted. And look at this picture when Sanskrit prayer word was chanted. Taken from The Hidden Messages in Water by Dr. Masaru Emoto. Dr. Emoto's work has not yet been put up to full scientific rigors, but this research definitely points to more research in this area. Let us consider the impact of this on our body. Our body is around 70% water. Let us fill this water of the body with negative energy by chanting abuses all day. Our body is full of ugly shaped molecules. What happens when we chant the holy name? What if these crystals are symbols of the beautiful transformation our body is undergoing on our spiritual path? It is commonly believed that mantras can carry hidden power which can in turn produce certain effects. The ancient Vedic literatures are full of descriptions of weapons being called by mantra. Mantras carry hidden spiritual power which can produce significant benefits when chanted properly. Indeed, the Vedas themselves are sound vibrations in literary form and carry a profound message. Spiritual disciplines recommend meditational practices such as silent meditation, silent recitation of mantras, and also the verbal repetition of specific mantras out loud. So now we'll see the benefits of chanting the holy names of God. That is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Dr. Herbert Benson is the founding president of the Mind Body Medical Institute and the Mind Body Medical Institute Associate Professor of Medicine, Harvard Medical School. A graduate of Wesleyan University and the Harvard Medical School, Dr. Benson is the author or co-author of more than 175 scientific publications and 11 books. So now we'll see Dr. Benson's advice for stress reduction and positive thinking. According to Dr. Herbert Benson, the relaxation response by a technique based on Western relaxation methods, Eastern meditative practices, and certain type of prayers consisting of four basic elements. They are: first, a quiet environment; second, a comfortable position; third, repetition of a prayer, that is chanting; fourth, a passive attitude free from thoughts. During meditation, the overall metabolism of the body slows markedly. For instance, heart and breathing rates decreases, blood flow to the muscle stabilizes, and blood pressure falls. A clinical test of the benefits of mantra chanting was performed on three groups of 62 subjects, males and females of average age 25. They chanted the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra 25 minutes each day under strict clinical supervision. Results showed that regular chanting of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra reduces stress and depression and helps reduce bad habits and addictions. These results formed a PhD thesis at Florida State University. Spiritual practitioners claim many benefits from mantra meditation, such as increased realization of spiritual wisdom, inner peace, and a strong communion with God and the spiritual realm. These effects may be experienced by following the designated spiritual path. So, the yoga for this age is mantra meditation. Mantra has been derived from the word man, meaning mind, tra, deliverer of. So mantra delivers from anxieties, fears, insecurities, tensions, ignorance. Mantra meditation leads to peace of mind, confidence, security, happiness, steady intelligence, concentration, efficiency. Albert Brushford, the owner of Ford Motors, he says, chanting Hare Krishna has made a tremendous impact in my life. N.D. Desai, the leading Indian industrialist. I have been chanting Hare Krishna for many years and I have never found anything more pleasurable. Rishikesh Mafatlal, the CEO of Mafatlal Fabrics. Chanting Hare Krishna has helped me face all the ups and downs in my life with a great confidence and a peace of mind. Anne Choffers, the Dutch model. Chanting helped me give up bad habits. It changed my vision of things. Vicky Overton, the leading European model. By starting to chant Hare Krishna, I felt tremendous happiness. Our 11-year-old Orisa Kelly, who attended Bhaktivedant Manors Nursery and Gurukul, has won a myriad of gold, silver, and bronze medals and cups in gymnastics. On 21st July 2006, she flew out to compete in the International Junior Gymstars competition. Representing Great Britain, she won the gold medal to become the European Under-12s all-round champion in the women's artistic competition. Competing with gymnasts from 34 European countries, Orisa was also the overall winner. She took home a grand total of 5 medals for Great Britain. Positive thinking. My outlook towards life is lot more brighter. After starting to associate with Hare Krishna devotees and chanting the Maha Mantra by Bruce Kleinberg, the army officer. Marco Ferrini, Italy's top furniture designer. Chanting makes me feel close to God. What are the methods of chanting mantra? Baik Hari, that is audible. By chanting aloud, which can be heard easily, is called Baik Hari chanting. What are the advantages of Baikari chanting? It removes thoughts. It becomes easy to conceptualize of thoughts. It makes meditation easy. The second method is Upanshu, that is whispering. Chanting of mantra in low voice or just whispering so that only practitioner can understand is called Upanshu chanting. The advantages of Upanshu are as follows. Long duration chanting, 8 to 10 hours. Purposeful mantra repetition, example for wealth, health, land acquisition, happiness, etc. Destiny errors can be corrected with this type of chanting. Mansik, meaning mental. Without chanting aloud or whispering, mantra is repeated in mind. This type of mantra chanting is difficult and can be learnt only with practice. The advantages of mental chanting are: it's a subtle form of chanting, it's commonly used by advanced practitioners, it leads to higher taste of awareness. So the mantra meditation, that is chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, frees us from stress and depression and will experience eternal bliss. Thank you. Hare Krishna.